Alright, here we have a top with a high armhole. As you can see, the front underarm here, there's some wrinkles pulling. And this diagonal pull wrinkles is radiating from the front underarm. As you can see, the armhole here is too high and it's creating some discomfort for the wearer. So the solution is to lower the underarm. When we lower the underarm, we will also need to increase the under part of the sleeve as well. So we'll need to mark the lower part of the underarm. After marking the lower part of the underarm, we will also need to adjust the sleeve and widen the sleeve so that the sleeve head will match with the armhole. Later on, I'll explain to you how we can adjust on the flat patterns. Okay, here we have a top that caused by a high armhole. Alright, so we saw some wrinkling around the radiate from the underarm area. So we need to eliminate the excess fabric near the underarm here. So to do so, we'll need to gauge the amounts to be lowered at the armhole for comfort. Alright. So the amounts to lower it, we have pinned just now. We will lower it both for the front and both for the back. Alright. We need to redraw the armhole. As you can see, we have, after redrawing the front armhole, you can see that the armhole is enlarged. Now we also need to do the same for the back. We redraw the back armhole. Alright, as you can see, the back armhole is also enlarged. So having the armhole of the front and the back being enlarged, naturally we'll need to redraw the sleeve head as well. Now we need to adjust the sleeve head. We'll draw the bicep line. So we'll need to extend along the bicep line and lower the same amount as well. For the front and the back, we extend and lower it. Now we need to redraw the back armhole from this point. Smooth curve towards here, and we need to redraw from this point towards the sleeve head. Okay, then we'll need to redraw the underarm as well. So there we go. So here's our new sleeve. So the red line represents the new underarm area and progressively towards the original sleeve head. And this red line represents the new underarm area and the new inseam of the sleeve. So after we have adjusted the sleeve we can see that the new sleeve head matches with the new armhole of the front and the new armhole at the back.